Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn this beautiful infinity braid. For this, first you need to divide the hair into equal section, then taking a strand of hair and creating an infinity effect as you can see in the video. Continue watching the video to get the idea how to make this braid. Thank you so much for watching the video till now. And do not forget to subscribe if our channel provide you the informative educational content, because we will came up with so many more educational video related to this industry. So bye bye, take care, we'll meet in next tutorial.